Naka-due na ba for PMS ang unit mo? Or may itim pa rin ang oil after ma-change oil? Tara, pag-usapan natin yan. Hi, I am Migs from Bluebird Motors, Mitsubishi Angeles, and we're servicing 1,000 of vehicles here in Pampanga and in Central Luzon. What is the difference between regular change oil and crystal clear oil change? When is the best time to do the crystal clear oil change? How to book an appointment? Ano nga ba ang difference ng crystal clear oil change versus regular change oil? Basically, ang regular change oil kasi, meron siyang naiiwan na up to 1 liter oil sa loob ng engine. That's why we do crystal clear oil change para totally drain ang engine natin. So, mapiprevent natin yung build-up ng mga natitirang oil doon and make sure na hindi makakontaminate yung bagong engine oil. In this crystal clear oil change, we assure na mas better ang performance at mapoprolong pa natin ang lifespan ng engine. When is the best time to do the crystal clear oil change? We recommended it every PMS, every 5,000 kilometers, or 4 months, whichever comes first. How to book an appointment? Call us on our service hotline or message us on our Facebook page, facebook.com/MitsubishiAngeles. Or visit us at our location, MacArthur Highway, Balibago, Angeles City. And feel the masayang experience to everyone. See you!